Oh guys, today I'm going to draw something. Right, I'm going to get you guys and yeah, I'm going to get something to draw on. And we got something here from upstairs. Let's go back. I'm going to get something to draw. Okay, I'm going to stay right there. Let me see where I need to draw. Yeah, pencil. And then I'm going to get right here. We only need the front of the person. Okay. Okay. Got the edge. That's that drawing it. Yeah. You guys know my favourite character is Roxy, so I'm going to do her face. Okay. So, yeah, Roxy. Alright. I'm going to draw her body. Yeah, I'm going to put you guys here so you actually see me draw. I'm going to get you guys shoulders open.
Where in the country?
Say, you'll be got here. So I'm going to put you guys like this. Then you guys can actually see what I'm drawing. Okay. Okay, hopefully this actually works now.
He's going to be here in February 2026. You have ample time.
I got like a loads of your body in actually, so cool.
What's her name? Kira. Well, I have a rule on this show. Yeah? I don't stand for myself. I like to get a name. Yeah. I like to get a name out of the lads.
Your card is Roxy, by the way.
Yeah, and I want them to be
not if you were wondering.
Kira. Kira, you are going to James Arthur next February. Will you make a noise of it up and done and stuff?
Okay, to do.
Wonderful. Well done. Congratulations. You shouted beautifully and you have the tickets. Well, thanks very much. Have a good one, Scott. Here's Johnny Cass.
Now, not doing the greatest job. This is a tiny peg I just found in my bag. Don't ask me why I found it. Look, there's so much hair. Right, there's like a bone, I say. We'll try to put details in it. And better drones in school though. Looks pretty plain. So you done, guys. It's all on YouTube anyway, so. It's basically like fits on the page. It's pretty good. I'm gonna cut a bit off around it because I don't want any different details. I don't want it to be fringy or something, or unsuccessful, whatever you want to say. Probably unsuccessful, to be honest. Yeah. Okay. Now I have the drawing here. It's not the greatest though, but hey, I tried it though. Yeah, it's traced it. Yeah, but no harm. No harm, guys. She's my favorite character. I tried my best, guys. I was in the middle of what I tried. Right. Back guys. So see you later, guys. Bye bye.